Question 8 is from circular Mayer. In the diagram, ABC is an isosceles triangle with AB is equal to BC is equal to R centimeter and angle BAC is theta radian. The point D lies on AC and ABD is a sector of a circle with center A. Express area of the shaded region in terms of R and theta. AB, this is as a whole, ABC is an isosceles triangle. ABC and AB both equal to RCM. We have to express area of the shaded region in terms of R and theta. First, we will find the area of triangle ABC and subtract the area of sector. We get the area of the shaded region. We have to express it in terms of R and theta. So first of all, we find the area of sector. ABD is a sector of radius RCM and angle is theta radian. So area of sector होगा हमारे पास area of sector formula is 1 over 2 r square theta. Now area of triangle XBC. X ये हम थोड़ी सी इसमें कंस्ट्रक्शन कर सकते हैं ताकि ये इजी हो जाए. ये suppose this point is X. Isosceles triangle है. This will be the midpoint X. Now there are two congruent triangles XBC and XAB. These are two congruent triangles. हम एक ट्राइंगल का एरिया फाइंड करके 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे, वो ABC फुल ट्राइंगल का एरिया आ जाएगा. तो फर्स्ट वी फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल XBC. area of triangle XBC will be 1 over 2. Let this side be h. XB is h. 1 over 2 base into height. Base is XC and height is h. XC base and height is h. Now we will find h and XC. Then we get the area of triangle XBC. Now what is h? Now we will use ratio. H over R is equal to sine theta. H over R is equal to sine theta. So from here, H will be equal to R sine theta. Now we have to find XC. H we have found it. H XC हमने find करना है. H XC. How we will find XC? Now we will use Pythagoras theorem on triangle XCB. So we get XC square is equal to H square plus R square. So from here XC will be H square H square XC square plus H square is equal to R square. From here XC will be R square minus H square under root. नो आर हम पहले ही फाइंड कर चुके हैं. ये देखें आर. तो यहाँ पे हम आर की वैल्यू पुट कर देंगे. एच की सॉरी एच है. एच हम पहले फाइंड कर चुके हैं. एक्स सी बिकम आर स्केयर माइनस एच स्केयर मीन आर स्केयर साइन स्केयर होल अंडर रूट. आर स्केयर इज कॉमन 1 माइनस साइन स्केयर, तो 1 माइनस साइन स्केयर होता है cos square, so this becomes r square cos square. So taking square root, we get x3 is equal to r cos theta. Now we have h and xc. We will put here to find the area of xbc triangle. 1 over 2 xc is r cos theta, h is r sin theta. This becomes 1 over 2 r square sin theta cos theta. So this is the area of triangle XBC. Now the same area will be of triangle XAB. So that becomes the total area of triangle XABC. ABC इन दोनों ट्राइंगल्स को हम ऐड कर देंगे तो ABC का एरिया आ जाएगा. तो सो एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल ABC will be 2 times of this area, 2 into 1 over 2 r square sin theta cos theta. तो ये 2 कैंसिल हो जाता है, तो सर हमारे पास एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल ABC is r square sin theta cos theta. So now shaded area will be this area of ABC triangle minus area of sector ABD. That will be the shaded area. Shaded area will be r square sin theta cos theta minus 1 over 2 r square theta. We can take common r square sin theta cos theta minus 1 over 2 theta. So this is the shaded area. Now next part B of this question is in the case where r is equal to 10. Now the r is given and theta is equal to 0.6 radian. Find the perimeter of the shaded region. Look at this perimeter of the shaded region will be DC length प्लस BC लेंथ प्लस आर BD. ये तीनों हम फाइंड करके उसको ऐड कर देंगे, दैट वी विल गेट द पेरीमीटर ऑफ द शेडेड रीजन. So no r and theta are given. First we will find the length of arc BD. Length of arc BD formula is r into theta. Now r is 10 and the theta is 0.6. We get 6 cm. This is the length of BD. Now we will find, we have BC. BC is given R, that is R. R is 10. So BC, we have BC is BC is BC is equal to 10. Now we will find uh, now we will find DC. DC. To find DC, we have AX plus XD is equal to R. You can see from the diagram. AX plus XD is equal to R. XD will be equal to R minus AX. Now XD will be R minus, what is AX? Now we will use ratio on this triangle to find AX. AX over R is equal to cos theta. AX over R. AX over R is equal to cos theta. AX will be R cos theta. So we will put here in place of x r cos theta. No, we have to find dc. Xc minus xd will be equal to dc. See the diagram. Xc minus xd is equal to dc. Now, what is xc? Xc is xc. We have found already. Xc is r cos theta. Xd is r माइनस एक्स डी. तो एक्स डी हमारे पास है, ये अभी फाइंड किया हमने. दिस इज एक्स डी. तो माइनस एक्स डी मीन माइनस आर प्लस आर cos थीटा is equal to dc. So this becomes r cos theta plus r cos theta 2 r cos theta minus r is equal to dc. Now putting the value of r and theta, we get dc is equal to 2 into r is 10 cos 0.6 minus r. Uh, now we get this dc is equal to 6.507. Now the perimeter of shaded region. Perimeter of shaded region will be dc plus bc plus length of r. वो तीनों हमने फाइंड कर लिए हैं. bc is 10. bc is equal to 10. ax plus xd is equal to r. xd is r minus ax. xd will be r minus ax. ax, we will find ax over r is equal to cos theta. ax is equal to r cos theta. xd is equal to r minus r cos theta. xc minus xd is equal to dc. So xc is r cos theta minus xd is minus r plus r cos theta is equal to dc. 2r cos theta minus r is equal to dc. Putting the value of r and theta, dc becomes 2 into 10. r is 10 cos 0.6 minus 10. This becomes dc will be 6.507 cm. No perimeter. Perimeter of shaded will be 10 plus 6 plus 6.507. This is 22.5 cm. Next question number 9. A circle has a center at the point B, phi 1. The point A, minus 1, minus 2 lies on the circle. Find the equation of the circle. We know that to find the equation of the circle, we need the center of the circle and the radius of the circle. Let this is a circle. This is the center, that is B, coordinates 5, 1. A point is here, lies on the circumference, coordinates -1, -2, and this is the radius. BA is the radius. Now to find the equation of the circle, center is given. Center is 5, 1, and to find the radius, we will find the distance AB, that is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square whole under root. R will be 36 plus 9, that is 45 under root. Equation of circle will be equation of circle x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square is equal to r square. This is the equation of the circle. Now if here a b represents the center of the circle, which is given 5, 1. So we have x minus 5 square plus y minus 1 square is equal to r square. This is the equation of the circle. Now next part of this question is point C is such that AC is the diameter of the circle. Point D has coordinate 5, 16. Show that DC is a tangent to the circle. First of all, we represent the point C. Point C is such that AC is the diameter. So हम यहाँ पे this will be C. This point will be C. Now AC is the diameter of the circle, and point D has coordinate 5, 16, so that DC is a tangent to the circle. So let DC is a tangent to the circle. So we make a tangent at C. This point is D. Coordinates 5, 16. Now we have to show that DC is a tangent. We will find clearly this angle will be 90 degree. We will find the gradient of BC and gradient of CD. So first we will find the coordinates of C. Let the coordinate of C are A, B. हम suppose कर लेते हैं कि coordinate of C are A, B. Now we will find the we will find the midpoint of AC. For coordinates of C, first we will find the midpoint of AC. Midpoint of AC, midpoint फार्मूला यूज करेंगे a minus 1/2 coordinates of C हमने a b लिए a minus 1/2 b minus 2/2. This is the midpoint of AC. X1 plus x2/2 plus y1 plus y2/2, and it is given. Look at this. B is the center. A midpoint of AC is 5, 1. Now comparing the corresponding coordinates, we get a minus 1/2 is equal to 5, b minus 2/2 is equal to 1. From here a will be equal to 11, b is equal to 4. तो c के coordinates हमारे पास आएंगे. Coordinates of c are 11, 4. The coordinate of d are 5, 16. Then now we will find the gradient of BC and gradient of DC. Gradient of DC 16 minus 4 over 5 minus 11, that is equal to minus 2. Gradient of BC will be 4 minus 1 over 11 minus 5, that is 1 over 2. Now we know that product of if the product of gradients is equal to negative 1, then the lines will be perpendicular to each other. Now m1 m2 is equal to negative 1. लेकिन दोनों के ग्रेडियंट को हम मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं तो ये negative 1 आ जाएगा. This shows that DC is tangent to the circle. This shows that DC is a tangent to the circle. Next part of this question is other tangent from D to the circle touches the circle at E. अब हम यहाँ पे एक और टेंजेंट जो है वो बनाएंगे. Let that another tangent is at the circle is at E. This point is E. Now we have to find the coordinate of D. The coordinate of D हम कैसे find करेंगे? ये look at the diagram. E is the point of intersection of line ED and the circle. This is the point of intersection. E is the point of intersection of a line ED and circle. So first we have to find the equation of DE. Equation of DE. So equation of DE find करने के लिए हमें we need gradient of DE and the point. Point हमारे पास है 516 through which the ED passes. And what will be the gradient? तो जो gradient DC का है उसका हमने नेगेटिव ले लेना है, तो वो gradient DE का होगा. Because both if we draw this circle on the axis, तो वो हम देखेंगे कि gradient जो DE लाइन है वो acute angle बनाएगी with the positive x-axis, and DC line जो है that makes an obtuse angle. So we have gradient in opposite signs. Gradient of DC हम find कर चुके हैं. Gradient of DC जो है वो -2 है, तो gradient of DE will be in opposite sign, that will be 2. So gradient of DE will be positive 2 because gradient of DC tangent will is -2, so gradient of DE will be 2. Now point D is given, that is 516. Now the equation of DE, equation of line as tangent DE, y minus y1 m x minus x1. This will be y is equal to 16 plus 2x minus 10. This will be equal to y is equal to 2x plus 6. This is the equation of DE. Now E is the point of intersection of the line DE and the circle. तो वी विल सॉल्व साइमल्टेनियसली सर्कल की इक्वेशन को और इस लाइन को DE को हम साइमल्टेनियसली सॉल्व करेंगे। सर्कल इक्वेशन इज x minus 5 square plus y minus 1 whole square y minus 1 whole square is equal to r square. R is r square is 45 because the radius is 45 under root. So here is 45. Now putting this value of y here, so this becomes x minus 5 whole square plus 2x plus 6 minus 1 whole square is equal to 45. Simplifying it, this becomes x square plus 25 minus 10x plus 2x plus 5 whole square is equal to 45. Now expanding 2x plus 5 square, this becomes x square plus 25 minus 10x plus 4x square plus 25 plus 20x minus 45 is equal to 0. Finally, we get 5x square plus 10x plus 5 is equal to 0. Dividing each side by 5, this becomes x square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. This is a perfect square. We can write this is a perfect square. फैक्टराइज भी करके आप देख सकते हैं. So this will be x plus 1 whole square is equal to 0. This shows that x plus 1 is equal to 0. Taking square root, we get no, from here x is equal to negative 1. Now what is y? Now putting this in this equation, यहाँ पे हम y is equal to 2x plus 6 है, तो y is equal to 2x plus 6. Putting the value of x, this becomes minus 2 plus 6, y is equal to 4. तो हमारे पास e के कोऑर्डिनेट्स आ जाएंगे -1 4.